Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux pedestal drawer and it won't close or it won't stay closed, and what you can do to fix it. So the number one thing that could be happening, especially if it won't stay closed, is that the door latch is not working. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the parts that you need to get. So you can get this part here. This is the actual latch that you can order. And then there's the strike part, which you can find right here. If you replace these two things, you should be able to get your thing working. And you can get them from Appliance Parts Pros, the strike and the latch, so that you can get your drawer closing and staying closed again. So if you swap these out and put the new ones in, then your drawer should be closing again. Hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.